Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to add friends in Scribble. It's super easy to set up a game with your pals. First, head to the Scribble website and click the Create Private Room button. This generates a unique link for your game. You can then share this link with up to 16 friends, inviting them to join your drawing and guessing fun. Just copy the link and send it through your preferred messaging app or social media platform. It's that simple. If a friend has already created a private room, joining their game is just as straightforward. They will send you a unique link, which you simply need to click. This link will automatically direct you to their private Scribble room. Before you fully enter, you'll be prompted to choose a nickname. Pick something fun and recognizable so your friends know it's you. Once your nickname is set, you're ready to jump into the game and start drawing or guessing with everyone. Effective resource management is crucial for survival. Your flashlight has a limited battery, so use it only when necessary, such as checking the hall or vents. The music box is a top priority. If it unwinds completely, the puppet will attack. Constantly check the two side vents and the main hall camera. Balancing these tasks while fending off animatronics is the core challenge of the game. Stay vigilant and manage your power wisely. Now that everyone is in the room and settings are adjusted, it's time to play. The game proceeds with players taking turns drawing a chosen word while others try to guess it in the chat box. You earn points for guessing correctly and for having your drawing guessed by others. The chat feature is also great for friendly banter and hints, making the experience more interactive. Remember, the goal is to have fun and enjoy the creative challenge with your friends, whether you're a master artist or just doodling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.